How to change your Moka password. Have you ever found yourself staring at your Moka app, wondering how to change your password? It's a common question, especially if you're new to the platform. Think about it. Passwords are the gatekeepers to your digital life. They protect your personal information, your finances, and even your online reputation. So, it's crucial to keep them strong and secure. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your Moka password. Whether you're doing it for security reasons or simply because you've forgotten your old one, we've got you covered. 1. Access the Moka app. The first step is to open the Moka app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience. 2. Locate the settings. Once you're in the app, look for the settings icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner or in the menu bar. 3. Navigate to password settings. Inside the settings, you'll find various options. Look for the one labeled password, security, or something similar. 4. Initiate password change. Tap on the password option. You should see a prompt asking if you want to change your password. 5. Enter your current password. Before you can change your password, you'll need to verify your identity. Enter your current password in the provided field. 6. Create a new password. Once your current password is verified, you'll be prompted to create a new one. Make sure your new password is strong, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. 7. Confirm your new password. After entering your new password, you'll usually be asked to confirm it. This is to ensure you've typed it correctly. 8. Save changes. Once you've confirmed your new password, tap on the Save or Submit button to finalize the changes. 9. Verify password change. You may be asked to log in again using your new password to verify that it's working correctly. Tips for strong passwords. While we've covered the basic steps, it's important to create strong passwords. Here are some tips. Avoid using personal information. Don't use your birthday, pet's name, or other easily guessable details. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters. This makes your password more complex. Include numbers and symbols. The more characters and types of characters, the harder it is to crack. Use a password manager. A password manager can help you create and store strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Additional security measures. In addition to changing your password regularly, consider these security measures. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Be wary of emails or messages asking for your personal information. Never click on suspicious links or attachments. Keep your app updated. Make sure you have the latest version of the Moka app installed to benefit from security patches and improvements. Changing your Moka password is a simple but essential step to protect your account and your personal information. By following the steps outlined in this video and creating strong passwords, you can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.